girl Coco. Welcome back. Today I'm doing the drunk makeup challenge, and if you can't already tell, I'm kind of drunk already because I started recording this and I realized I wasn't recording and I'm already 6 shots in. If you don't believe me, then I don't know what to tell you because my stomach believes it. And I have all my makeup laid out here. We're gonna attempt to do our makeup after I'm fully drunk. And we'll see what happens. I'm kind of trying to not explode because I'm very disappointed that I recorded probably the last, or thought I recorded the last 30 minutes, but I didn't. Let's take shot number 7. And let's hope I don't die. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. You see my cup? I got this at Starbucks. It was like $4. Get one. The world's spinning right now. Milo! Oh. Ah! Don't kill me. Milo. Oh, so a rule that I go by when I go out sometimes, if my face is numb, that means I'm drunk. That's it. Stop drinking. Sometimes I don't stop drinking, but that's another story to tell. If you don't eat these Cuban crackers, you're not from Miami. I don't care what you say. Alright, all good. Alright guys, so the video got cut short again, and I'm too drunk for this. Honestly, I actually do need another shot. I feel like all of this made me sober. So, obviously you don't know what happened. I was recording and I was like already into my cut crease. Or I thought I was recording. And I didn't record shit. I don't know what is going on. My fucking phone. I'm looking at the wrong lens. I'm looking at the wrong lens. I don't know what's going on. But I thought I was recording. Okay. That's 9 shots, guys. Coño. I don't know what to do. Let me just do my eyebrows first. Oh, that's a point. Babe, I love you. I'm a little too confident when I'm drunk. A little too confident. A lot of people would be scared of me. A lot of people. Yo, guys, I may be drunk right now, but what is one word that defines you? What is one word you truly feel that defines you? I feel like my word is creative. Very creative person. I can give myself that. I can't wait till the day that people actually participate in the things I tell them to comment on. And you know, that's when I have fulfilled my life. When people actually participate in the things that I tell them to comment on. Comment on if you had a great day. Comment on what you're doing for Valentine's Day. That's like me, even though nobody responds. So. I'm just gonna put some concealer on my eyes to prime, and honestly, like, I feel like I'm half here, half in Oklahoma. I don't know where I am. Where am I? I'm in Miami. Welcome to Miami. Yeah.
Yo, Marla has makeup on his face.
He has makeup on his face?
Yeah.
Oh, poor thing. I need to use the bathroom. Be back. BRB. Am I recording?
Yeah.
Thank God.
How do you feel right now?
Yay! I got drunk in my house.
Yeah. Yay.
Woo!
Kokoro.
I get drunk in my house. This is great. I'm back. Hello. Hello, beautiful people. Hello. I went to the bathroom. Right? I don't know where I'm going with this eye look, but this is like the second time I have to like do an eye look drunk, and I don't know where I'm going with it. I'm just going. I'm going in hard. The train is taking me off, bitch. Who knows? I'm like speaking gibberish at this point. I'm so drunk. I could fall asleep right now. Like, I really could. Oh my god. Like, I really could. Oh my god, guys. I don't even know where this makeup look is going. Where are you going, bitch? Alright, I'm gonna try my hardest to make this look. I didn't put more chapstick on. To make this look actually wearable. And then, coño, what the fuck, bitch? Dior, I need my money back. The hell? Jesus Christ. I can't believe fucking broke. This shit fucking broke. I don't know what to do. Okay. Oh my god. Guys, I will just turn this on quick because I have no idea what I'm doing at this point. Alright, I guess. What I'm doing. I'm gonna clean off the edges. The edges. Clean off the edges. I've never done a look like this, like in my life. This is like galaxy type shit. Right. To the foundation. I'm using my Fit Me Dewy Smooth foundation in Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth. Can you get that shit together? I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth foundation in 322 Warm Honey. Don't judge me. Does this look good?
Yeah.
Oh shit, yeah.
I'll put my headphones in.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Have you ever been so drunk that you know how annoying you are to other people? That's me right now. Whoa. This eye look is like so Barbie, like bitch. Barbie at the club type shit. Oh my god. I could fall asleep right now. Literally. Jesus Christ. I'm falling asleep literally. Okay, I'm going to contour my face with my trusty handy dandy Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. Horrible accents, but at this point, you know, we can't hit rock bottom. We can just hit rock top. Oh my god, this video is gonna be so embarrassing to upload. Like, I think I put enough blush to last us till next year. Ooh, snatch. Snatch, snatch. I don't even know what color this is. I don't even know what color this is. I'm using the rose gold and the gold champagne color. And I'm highlighting. I'm trying to highlight before it even dries, so. Ooh, yes. No, this does not go with it. I guess it's like good enough. Alright. Lips are done. I'm gonna do eyeliner and I need to pee first, but I'll be right back. I need to, I'll be, I'm back. Okay, so I'm gonna do eyeliner. I'm using my roller liner. I have like 20 million liners, but this is the one that I like the most. So let's hope I don't fuck it up. Okay, we got our eyeliner on. I think we're like okay in that department. Oh no, what the hell? Today's taco night. If you live in Homestead, there's a great taco truck off of number 5 exit coming off the South Turnpike, and it's excellent. Get the Al Pastor tacos. Excellent. They have the best Al Pastor. I know, it's like my teeth. Yes, bitch. I killed this look. Ain't nobody can tell me nothing. I killed this fucking look. I'm drunk as fuck, but I killed it. Just saying, 8 shots in. We're not gonna compete about that because I'm a lightweight. We gonna tell that my look is not cute. 'Cause my look is cute. I need to stop doing this because I'm being like extra as fuck. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you for finishing the video, if you did finish the video, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you're gonna be part of the gang. can't believe how good I look right now. Bitch, you did that. You did that, bitch. Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me, bitch. Bitch, I did that. Don't even play with me. Don't even play with me, cause you know I did that shit. Don't forget to come back. Turn on those post notifications so you know when I motherfucking post. I post every other day, but you need to know when I post anyways. Alright? It's Taco Tuesday. It's not even Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Sunday. I gotta go get tacos. So peace. I gotta go. Bye. I'll see you day after tomorrow. Alright? I'll miss you. I'll miss you, bitch. I'll miss you. Alright? Love you. By the way, bitch, I forgot. I'm nominating Yaneli Nicole, Makeup by Court, and Chels Dolled Up, and Maria on Instagram. I know you only got an Instagram, bitch, but you could do Instagram videos, IGTV. I want y'all to all do this drunk makeup challenge because it's intense. I had to be like 20 million times, but I want y'all to do this. It's fun as fuck. I'm looking at the wrong lens. It's fun as fuck. So, I'm waiting on those videos. Fucking do it. I'm not even playing. Okay? Okay. I'm like every race right now except for Dominican at this point. Don't mind me. Alright. Jesus Christ. Oh my gosh. Alright, bye.